So I just got done moving boxes and this is what we did. I know, right? That's basically all of our boxes from our attic. And that's a lot of boxes. So, yep. I'm exhausted now. It's super hot, but it's just me because we've been working. But now I'm gonna go eat breakfast and then take a shower. So, peace out. I'm just now leaving my house, and so what I've been doing is I ate breakfast and then I took a shower because I was sweaty after moving all those boxes that I showed y'all. And yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. But I'm leaving my house right now because I'm going to my cousin's house to hang out with her for a little bit. And my sister went to go grocery shopping for us. So, yep, that's basically what I'm doing right now. So, I will see you guys later. We are at the doghouse and taking care of the dogs. And yeah, so that's about it. The dogs are hanging out. And we're gonna go to my cousin's house and hang out. So, yep. Not sure what we're doing, but we're just gonna hang out. So, see you guys later. So guys, I'm at my cousin's house and we did a little bit of shopping, like grocery shopping, so I don't like shopping. And I got some stuff, and my cousin is cooking us dinner, and we've been watching Netflix and just hanging out. We ate pizza for lunch, and I kind of got pizza on my shirt right there, but that's okay. I'm gonna be leaving here at about 5:30 to get to my house because we're gonna go look at houses. So yeah, so I'm really excited. So I'll see you guys later. Well guys, I am headed to my house to go with my family to look at houses, and I'm not very excited about it. So yeah, but I just got done hanging out with my cousin, as you can tell because I'm in my car, and I'm gonna go do that, and hopefully we can finally decide what house we're moving into. So yep, see you guys whenever I get to my house. So we are looking at this house right now. We've looked at 3 houses so far. Well, 2 actually, not 3. But I really don't like this house at all. Just don't. But my parents and sister are inside. They're figuring out where everything goes. But I think at the other house, it was a lot bigger and it was able to hold all my parents' stuff in. This, I don't think it's good. But whatever, my opinion doesn't matter. So this is how it always is with house searching. My opinions never matter. So that's just how it is. So yep, see you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, so we are watching this little mini fireworks show outside our neighborhood. It's so cool. Sorry, I'm out of breath. So that's what we're doing. So I will see you guys later.